Mobile Dent and Door Ding Removal, Salt Lake City. 385-777-1050. Dent Wrench PDR, Salt Lake City. Welcome to your mobile dent repair service for Salt Lake City, Utah. If you need help now, dial our operator at 385-777-1050 and we will get a qualified tech out to your place right away. You can have those ugly dent problems go away painlessly. Again, that is 385-777-1050. Don't leave your car dent problems to just anyone. Put your baby in the hands of a highly skilled technician who will make her look as good as new. We have receptionists standing by waiting for your call. Thanks again for calling your mobile dent repair Salt Lake City. We look forward to making your experience with us a pleasurable one. Call 385-777-1050 for mobile dent and door ding removal, Salt Lake City, or visit dentwrenchpdrsaltlakecity.com.